The WYZE Lock keypad. In today's video, I will show you guys how to install and program the WYZE Lock keypad with your WYZE Lock smart lock. Now, WYZE is a sponsor of this video. They actually sent me this product so I can show you guys how to install and program it the professional way. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Kobe and I'm with Silver Eagle Locksmith Las Vegas YouTube channel. If you're interested in home security related stuff, learn how to do it yourself the professional way, save time, save money, learn about new upcoming smart locks, door enforcement, high security locks, and more, consider subscribing and make sure to click the bell and turn on notification right after, because if you don't, YouTube won't let you know when I release new videos, when I release them. Okay, with this out of the way, let's move on, talk a little bit about this awesome product and why I think it's super important for you to purchase this product if you have the WYZE Lock coming up right now. So the WYZE Lock keypad is a wireless keypad for the WYZE Lock. And if you're not familiar with the WYZE Lock, I highly recommend you guys to check my previous videos that I made. This is actually my 4th episode talking about the WYZE Lock. I also share a link for one of the videos that I made previously talking about the WYZE Lock and why I think it's the best smart lock for the year 2020. I highly recommend you guys to check that video right after you're watching this one. Okay, moving on. If you do have the WYZE Lock smart lock, this is the way to go, guys. Let me explain. It's super affordable keypad that it will basically complete your WYZE Lock smart lock to be a fully keypad smart lock. Yes, as you know, your actually WYZE Lock smart lock is not a full smart lock with a keypad. Yes, it have all the features, all the cool features, just like any other smart lock, but it doesn't have a keypad. This actually an additional purchase that you can install outside of your door. Super simple to install and program, which I will gonna show you later. But the features and why I think that it's a super good keypad for you guys, because it's fully wireless. So yes, it's only battery powered wireless keypad, which is great as well. It's very simple to install. It's got LED backlight. So yes, there is an actual LED light that's showing you the numbers during the night or low light situations. Also, it's have time-based guest codes. So yes, you can give to your guests, friends, family, or wherever you want an actually time-based code. So giving them an actual code that you can control how long they can use it. This is an awesome feature combining with this awesome keypad. Also, it's got a secure code entry. So if you choose a code to you or any other users in your family, they can also add an additional digits before and after to add additional security. So even if someone see them putting the code, you can add additional digits on top of it and it will still unlock the smart lock. And of course, it's got the one-touch locking button, the lock and unlock button, so you can shut, close your door, press the button, and it will lock the door for you. All those things, and also the price, super affordable, make it a must purchase for you guys. Make sure to check the links down below in the description of my video for more information. And if you do choose to purchase any of the products that I share, we will get compensated. But of course, there's no additional cost to you. Okay guys, moving on, let me show you how to install and program it using your WYZE Lock and also the WYZE app coming up right now. Okay, so let's go over really quick what we got inside the WYZE Lock keypad. There's our keypad and some quick start guide. We also have 2 batteries included. That's awesome. They even include batteries for this super affordable keypad. Love WYZE, what can I say? There is some mounting bracket, installation, screws, some anchors. Yeah, that's pretty much everything, guys. That's all what comes inside. Let's move on to the actual installation and programming. Okay, so moving on with the installation of the WYZE Lock keypad. So the very first thing is to install the actual mounting bracket, it's pretty obvious the way that you do it with the actual screws and anchors, but it's also have the adjustive strip, so you can put it. Now for the sake of the video, I'm putting it here on the inside so you can see how it's react with the actual WYZE Lock Smart Lock. But of course you can put it outside and mount it with the actual screws and anchors if you need to. Okay, so let's put it in. So we're gonna remove this. Now the mounting bracket showing you where it's face up. What we're gonna do first is to remove the actual back panel, the WYZE Lock keypad. And over here, we're gonna put the two batteries, the two alkaline batteries. Putting back the panel. We're gonna mount it. Let's move on with the programming. So to program the keypad, there's few simple steps. The first thing that you're gonna have to do is to press and hold the lock button until the light flash green. Okay, that will basically indicate that it's in pairing mode. Then you're gonna go to the WYZE app and you're gonna go to your actual WYZE lock, and my is the garage door. You're gonna go on the top right to the actual setting, and you're gonna go to the keypad settings. There is no keypad pairing with this lock. Now we're gonna have the keypad and skip installation guide. Already did this, and next. It's gonna searching for the WYZE keypad, and it's gonna be automatically connecting to it. Okay, now you're gonna choose an actual code, 4 to 8 digit code. So I'm gonna choose 1, 2, 3, 4. Of course, you're gonna choose something better, right, guys? Let me know in the comment section below how this thing's going for you. If you're installing the WYZE keypad, if everything is good, and okay, you're gonna click next. Now you can share the code, or you can create an actual guest code. So let's create a guest code just to try it out. So guest name, we're gonna call it Kobe. Next, and you're gonna basically choose a one-time code, temporary code. Let's just use, for the sake of the tutorial, one-time code. We're gonna do next, and we're gonna choose 0007. Okay, next. Done. Okay, so let's try our code to get in and out. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, unlock. Okay, that works. Now let's try to lock it. Awesome. So our code will work all the time, and that's just great. Let's use our one-time code that we're gonna give to one of our guests. So it's 0007, unlock button. Okay, it unlocks it. Let's lock it back. Now let's try again this temporary code for one-time use and see if it works. Nope. So that was our one-time code, and it works perfectly fine. Our code that works all the time will unlock it with no problem, guys. So this is how you do it. This is how you're pairing the actual keypad, the WYZE Lock keypad, with your WYZE Lock Smart Lock. Thank you so much. So now you know how to install and program the WYZE Lock keypad, the wireless keypad for the WYZE Lock. And if you have any questions regarding the installation, the programming, or anything you want to ask me in general about the WYZE Lock and the WYZE keypad, I love to hear from you guys. Just write a comment in the comment section below. Promise that I will answer as soon as I can. And if you didn't do so, make sure to smash that like button. Give a like to my video, guys. This what keeps me here in this channel, showing you guys all that good stuff. So make sure to like my video. I do appreciate it. And if you're new to my channel, also consider subscribing and make sure to click the bell and turn all notifications, because if you don't, YouTube won't let you know when I release new videos, when I release them. And the very last thing, guys, is that I do share links of my previous videos that I made about the WYZE Lock. You will find them super important and interesting, so make sure to check those links right now, and I will see you in my next episode. Thank you so much.